What's up, Professor Riley? This is Kessler. I'm doing my audio electronic EQ project. Let me just, somebody else here had all these hooked up. They're out of here, so I'm going next. Make sure they rewound this. I think we're check on that. Got these, I'll put these out of the way for now. We don't need them. Alright, simply, our first step would be to show you what the audio signal from the stereo to the speaker will sound like unaffected by any resistors, capacitors, etc., etc. That's just the two black wires. So, our next step, can't simplify things obviously, is to add our first resistor, which is found over here. It's our 100 ohm resistor with plus or minus, I believe, 5%. I'm not sure if you can see this. Color bands are brown, black, brown, and gold, and the gold is the plus or minus 5%. Another thing, red's positive and black's negative in the wire, but I don't think that was required or anything. I'm going to attach to the positive side just for the hell of it. There we go. Second alligator clip. Attached to the other side. And that goes on to this, while we can simply attach the other side as if we can attach the other wire as if nothing had happened to it. It's unaffected, basically. It's unaffected, we'll put it that way. And I might need to move these, or I might even... What the hell? Oh, there we go. What the hell? There we go. I don't want to move these too much, but these connected to that resistor, I have to put it down kind of. These are all connected here. I mean, if you can see it for yourself, that's great. I'll try to move these wires out of the way so you can get a better image. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Next step is to add our second resistor. Same thing, 100 ohms. I'll have to... Where is that? Must have thrown it out of the way somewhere. Actually, I see it right here. Same deal. Brown, black, brown, gold. And we're going to attach that to the same wiring as the other capacitor. Put that on here and attach the green wire, and hopefully, yep, there we go. Oh yeah, by the way, with the first sound, it was definitely a lot more muffled. With the first resistor, it was a lot more muffled than it was, unaffected by any audio signal. I forgot to mention that. And with two resistors, the same side, it's definitely a little more muffled, but because the audio signal of the other wire is unaffected, I feel like when we go parallel, actually we'll just show you now. Now that we need to go parallel, we attach this to this, I suppose. This doesn't matter for now. And we're going to put a resistor on our other wire. I feel like this is going to change things quite a bit. But then again, we will find out soon enough. You really need to restrip these wires, Professor Riley. Or somebody does. At least this wire, and that one as well. Oh, there we go. Come on. There you go. The audio signal is affected. I feel like it's a little more muffled since both wires now have a resistor, positive and negative sides. I believe next in order would be to apply this baby here, our 5,000 ohm variable resistor, turning it all the way to the left so I don't blow my eardrums out or anything. I'm assuming that's why he told us. I believe the directions said to attach one to the middle and then one to either the left or right edges. So, oh yeah, take this resistor off, my bad. This should all be attached, correct? And okay, that's good. My bad. It confused me for a second. Don't need this for the second. I think we're done with the resistors actually. And we're going to attach another to the outside terminal. Oh, there we go. This is attached now. We're going to turn the knob. Oh, come on. Come on, sound. Here we go. There we go. Obviously, the signal is very affected when I turn the knob here, like lower, higher. This is special because I can adjust the signal. So I can adjust the signal as I wish, louder, softer. Anyway, that's how that works. This is once again unaffected. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. I apologize. I have a cold. My voice isn't as thrilling as it should be. Oh yes, our next step is to add our 10 microfarad capacitors. This one's gonna go on. This one's gonna go on this side. The other side's unaffected as of now. To me, this sounds a lot more muffled than any other signals. I'm using the word muffled a lot. I understand it's my not a huge vocabulary. I understand. But I have some math. 1 second. Yeah, but that's with 1 10 microfarad resistor capacitor. Definitely a lot more muffled. The tone quality of the sound is different as well. Can't really specify, but I mean it's obvious. Another thing to calculate resistance and everything. What I did was I took the variable resistance and resistors. Say like with the resistors there was plus or minus 10% because of the gold band. I'm sorry, I'm going back. I'm out of order here. I'm screwing up. But what I did was I turned those into fractions, 1 out of 10, say for 10%. I moved that into a decimal and added those and got a reciprocal, and that's how I would come up with my resistance, and that's how I came up with the resistance and everything. Unfortunately, my work's not readable. I mean, hold on a second. Let's see if I can read that. But I mean, that's how I came to that conclusion. Anyway, we're gonna add our second 10 microfarad resistor, which I'm about to do now on the same side. Here we go. On this side, same as the other one, and let there be sound. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's with 2 on this side. Definitely sounds a lot more muffled. I can hear a lot. I can hear a lot of fuzz in the speaker, which tells me that there's probably too many of these on here. Hear a lot of fuzz. Could just be the speakers, but we'll discuss that later. I'll ask about it later. Anyway, now I would like to come on. I'm gonna move it to the other side. One of the microfarad capacitors, and whoops, there we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Still hear that fuzz. It's muffled though. That's all I can say about that. I believe that is every step in the process. Once again, I thank you very much, and have a wonderful evening. Hope I did well. Thank you. Did I forget anything? No, I didn't forget anything. All right. Good night.